Hello and welcome to this jewelry making tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a pair of dangle earrings, beaded earrings, using some metal charms. So I will use these metal charms and these beads, turquoise and coral beads. As findings I will use some fishhook ear wires, some jump rings and those eye pins. Whereas as tools I will use these pliers. These are the chain nose pliers, the cutting pliers and the round nose pliers, and also a jump ring opener for my jump rings. So let's begin making the first earring. So I will take the charm and one of those jump rings. I will grab the jump ring with my pliers and I will open the jump ring like this. I will put the charm on my jump ring this way, and I will take one of those eye pins and put the eye pin on the jump ring as well. I will grab the jump ring with the pliers, with the chain nose pliers and the jump ring opener, and close the jump ring. And I have attached the first charm to my eye pin. I will take the second charm and do the same steps. So I will grab the jump ring with the pliers, with the chain nose pliers and the jump ring opener, and I will put the charm on my jump ring this way. I will take the eye pin and put the eye pin on the jump ring as well and close the jump ring. And now I will take one of those pins, eye pins. I'll straighten the pin using the chain nose pliers, and I will start putting the beads on my eye pin, making sure that they are arranged symmetrically. So I will alternate the turquoise and the coral beads. As you can see, I chose different sizes of beads so that they also have a certain shape. Not only the colors should differ, but also the size of the beads. So as you can see, the bead in the middle here, the turquoise bead, is a bit larger than the other beads. And now let's create another loop here. As you can see, this bit of wire is long enough. It doesn't need any more cutting. I will grab the pin at a bit of a distance, so I will leave about 1 millimeter between the last red bead and the place where I bend the pin, and I will start bending the pin like this to 90 degrees. And now I will take the round nose pliers and start rolling the pin so that I make the loop of my pin. I will take the fishhook ear wire and put it into this loop like this, and now I will close the loop. This way. So I have closed the loop and my first earring is ready. So this is the first dangle earring. And now let's take the second pin and I will arrange the beads in the same order. So I'll make sure that the beads are arranged symmetrically and that both pins look identical. So I'll make sure that on both pins the beads are arranged the same way. And now I will make the second loop. So as you can see, this pin is a bit too long, so I will first of all bend the pin, leaving 1 millimeter between the last bead and the place where I bend my pin. I bend the pin to 90 degrees like this. So as you can see, the beads can move a little bit here, and this ensures that the last bead will not break when I bend the pin. And now I will take the cutting pliers and cut a bit of the end of my pin here, like this. So I cut this bit of my pin, and I will take the round nose pliers and start rolling the pin to create the loop like this. And now that I have created the loop, I will also put the fishhook ear wire and close the loop. And now I have also finished the second earring. Now let's see the earrings from a closer distance. So these are the finished earrings. As you can see, the dangle earrings are made up of the beads and of my charms. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and now you can create a pair of dangle earrings using beads and metal charms.